The insurance company said my car was totaled. Can I keep the car and fix it myself? Hi, I'm Paul Hernandez, attorney at Kalfus Nachman, litigating cases across Virginia and North Carolina. A vehicle is considered totaled when the cost to repair the vehicle is higher than the market value of the vehicle. This may be true even if the car does not look that damaged, because the cost of repair, which includes parts and labor, are so expensive and more vehicles are totaled by insurance companies nowadays. Let me tell you what happened to one of my clients a couple of months ago. A client was rear-ended in an automobile accident. The back of his car was banged up pretty good, but because the car was over 15 years old, it would cost much more to repair than the market value of that car. The insurance company totaled the car and it was going to give my client $1,500 for the car, which was the market value of the car. The client said the car was in great mechanical condition and it had low miles and it had always been a reliable source of transportation for him. His brother used to work in the body shop and he was thinking about keeping the car and letting his brother fix the rear enough to pass inspection. This is called buying the car for salvage value from the insurance company. Let me tell you why I almost always advise my clients not to buy the car for salvage. First, let me share with you how this transaction actually works. In this case, the insurance company was going to give my client $1,500 for the value of the car. The insurance company would then sell that car to a junkyard for somewhere around $500. If my client wants to keep the car, the insurance company would pay my client $1,000 and let him keep the car. So essentially, instead of the junkyard paying $500 to the insurance company, my client accepted $500 less and got to keep the car. Here is why I do not advise of this. First, it always costs more to fix the car than the first estimate of repair. Next, the car will usually continue to have problems from this wreck, like it'll squeak, it'll creak, it'll leak, and it will seriously smell bad, which will always continue to remind my client about the wreck, which is never good. Then a client will complain that he should have just taken the original offer and bought another car. How do I know this? Because I have seen it happen several times. It is so much better to get rid of the car, replace the car, and close this chapter in your life. So the answer to the question is yes, you can keep the totaled car by buying it for salvage from the insurance company. It is not something I recommend. If you have any questions about keeping a car after it's been declared a total loss, or whether you need to hire an attorney at all, call me, Paul Hernandez, at 888-487-8546, and I can answer your questions. And by the way, if you found this video helpful, Kalfus Nachman has dozens of informative videos on our website. So I encourage you to check out our video library to access more informative videos just like this one. I'm Paul Hernandez, and thanks for watching.